lovelies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Finally, I'm sharing video that's specifically made for YouTube. So I filmed it specially for YouTube and it's in the YouTube form. And actually, it's not shared on my social media like with all the process, so it's a very unique thing for YouTube. And at the same time, I shared the video on my Instagram account, but I told everyone to watch the final reveal on my YouTube. So with that being said, the video is very special today. I wanted to create something like with a Valentine Day theme, but at the same time, not really very Valentine Day theme. With that being said, it's not only going to be used on the Valentine Day decoration, but it's something you can actually use on like all the whole year, like the whole year long. So super excited to share this video with you, and I truly hope you're gonna enjoy it. So first thing first, I'm gonna start with the background, and I was really not into deep with the colors because I don't really know which color exactly I really want to go with. I don't want it to be like a very Valentine theme, but I still wanted to like spread some love. I don't know. I was just like kind of picky with the colors, but I decided to go with the pink and the red. I choose two different shades of pink and one shade of red, and I truly love it so far. I really love the colors together, and I really work with these colors, so when I did, I really feel so obsessed. This step you usually don't see it on my Instagram, like whether you're watching like most of my videos on the other social media, you will never see this step actually, because I just like leave it as a surprise for them on the end. But I trace the word I wanna like write underneath the texture art on the canvas and just like write it down with whatever color I really want to go with. For example, here I want to go with the white because I felt that it will look rather than black, but I'm really in love with these three colors together, like red and white and pink. Actually, I feel that they really do great match together. Um, and I decided to go with actually the word l'amour de ma vie because I really love it in français a lot. So I just wanted to go with something really fun. And as I said, like I don't really need it to be a very Valentine like themed, so I don't really want to write like a happy Valentine Day or like love or something, but it could be really very nice for someone to give it to their loved one, or even like to be on a wall of a home for two like lovely couples maybe. I don't know what I was like really thinking, but I always just like really go very far with my imagination whenever I just like came to the word I want to write on the canvas. So for this, I wanted to go with the love of my life because I truly love this word, and I felt it would be really very cool if someone would hang it on the wall or something. So that's what I was thinking about. And at the same time, I'm truly obsessed with this song from Billie Eilish. So yeah, that's where it's actually coming from all this imagination in my head. So after I just like put the words and trace it and everything, like I wrote down, and I put the tape over it, I kind of wanted to make it like not very visible for people. So it can be like a little bit surprised when I peel it off. And so I redo another coat of paint over the tape so it can be a little bit covered so people can't really imagine what's underneath this thing. Also, if you haven't subscribed and liked the video yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and make sure to always like and share my video if you could, so you can just like keep supporting me and motivate me to actually keep posting on my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Boring if I want to say to only have two specific colors, and especially if they are so close to the background color, it's gonna be kind of like hard to just like feel it, like how to say cohesive, if I can say. Like really I wanted to look very nice but at the same time like attractive. So I don't want to go with only two colors, and I decided to add two more shades, which is one lighter shade of pink and one darker shade of red. And after I did that, I realized that the red actually not quite difference. Like the two different shades are actually so close to each other because if you know, you know, when you're actually working with texture and especially the red color itself, it's so hard to make like so many different shades of red because whenever you mix them with the like the base, it will ended up being pink. So it's a little bit hard to get the perfect red. But even though I just like managed to have like two different red shades and two very lovely pink shades. So the hardest part about this kind of work that actually I have to finish the entire work at the same day. Otherwise, it will be so hard for me to peel off the tape and just like have it like peeled because it's gonna be so hard when it dries and like everything connected to each other. It's gonna be really so hard. So the most important thing for me to do is actually to be fast when I'm doing this and to not have a rest actually even like for 10 minutes because it's take a lot of time and at the same time I really need to film the entire thing on the daylight and especially because it's winter so it's gonna be so hard for me to finish everything at the daylight. So it was like kind of hard thing for me. It took like about like few hours but I managed to get it done, which is I'm so happy with that. And stay tuned for the result in the end. Almost done with it. So the moment of truth is around the corner and I'm super excited to peel it off. It's always like makes me feel so excited to peel this part off. And I know it makes a lot of people mad at me because I'm doing that, but it's so exciting for me and I really enjoy it a lot. So here me peeling it off. It was really stressful to be frank because the shape also I made like a half heart and I usually just like do a straight line so it's gonna be really like weird to be let off, but I successfully did it and I'm so in love with how it turned out. I just need to just clean a little bit around so it can be really clear, but overall so in love. Here's the final work. I'm so in love with it. It's the next day, which is it's completely dry right now. I can freely touch it, and it's available now in my Etsy shop. So if you are interested in it, make sure to check the link on my description box. Thanks a lot for watching, and I truly hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you would actually have something like this on your wall the whole year long, or it's only for Valentine's Day. Let me know in the comments. See you in my next video. Bye.